Okay, so welcome back. So now, in this example, we're going to tackle this one, where we have x to the fourth power, so we have an even power of sine. So we're going to have to use one of the power reducing identities. So in this case here, I'm going to rewrite this as, again, I'm going to write it as a square, so it's sine squared x quantity squared dx. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in the identity, and then I'm going to expand this. So the identity becomes, right, so inside here is going to become what? 1/2 minus 1/2 cosine 2x quantity squared dx. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to expand this out. So now I'm going to just FOIL this and expand this. So this is going to become the integral of 1/4. And this is going to become what? 1/4 cosine 2x. Hold on a second. It's going to become negative 1/4 cosine 2x twice. So I'm going to get two of those, so I'm going to get a negative 1/2, right? So minus 1/2 cosine 2x, okay? And then I'm going to get a 1/4 cosine squared 2x. So I'm going to get 1/4 cosine squared 2x dx. Okay, so now what I can do is I can break this up, okay? But I have a problem. I've got a cosine with an even power. So I'm going to have to deal with that. Now, the first two terms are fine. It's that third term that I'm going to have to deal with. And so in this case here, I'm going to have to apply the power reducing identity again for this one. Okay, so let's write this out. So I'm going to replace it with the power reducing identity. So it's going to be 1/4 minus 1/2 cosine 2x. Now, plus, it's going to be 1/4 times 1/2, 1/2 plus 1/2 cosine like so. Oh, hold on. I forgot. This is already 2x. So this is going to be 4x. Okay? Because we already started with 2x, so we have to double the angle again. Okay? So now we've got this. And so now, in this case, we had to do the power reducing identity twice. And now we've got everything that has powers that we can deal with. So now I'm going to simplify this. And this becomes the integral of 1/4 minus 1/2 cosine 2x. And now I'm going to distribute this. This becomes 1/8 plus 1/8 cosine 4x dx. And so now I can go ahead and simplify this even further, And so I'm going to take this 1/4 and this 1/8 and combine them, so that's going to give me 3/8. So I get 3/8 minus 1/2 cosine 2x plus 1/8 cosine 4x. And now I can integrate this term by term. So this is going to give me 3/8 x minus, well, the integral of cosine is sine, right? But this time, remember, I have 2x in here. So I have to divide by the derivative of the inside, which is going to give me a 1/4 sine 2x. And then here, the cosine 4x is also going to give me sine, but now I'm going to divide by the derivative of the inside, which is now 4. So this is going to give me plus 1/32, right? Cosine, oops, not cosine, sine. Plus my constant of integration. And that's it. So here's one for you. To try. So evaluate this one. So in this case, it's an odd power of cosine. So how would we do that one? Well, it's odd power, right? So that means you're going to have to shave off one of these, right? So again, we're going to have to use the Pythagorean identity in this one to get a u substitution. Okay? So I'll leave that one up to you. Again, if you get stuck or need help or want confirmation, let me know.